In this video, we will see what are the key concepts around Prisma. So Prisma, there's three main concepts, which is, firstly, Prisma Client. Prisma Client is an auto-generated and type-safe database client. It allows us to access the database through plain JavaScript methods and objects without having to write the query in the database language itself. In short, it acts as an abstraction in the front of the database, so it's easier to write CRUD applications. Another key concept around Prisma is Prisma Migrate. Prisma Migrate is a powerful database schema migration tool. It uses a declarative data modeling syntax to describe our database schema. Prisma Migrate also stores our entire migration history and easily let us revert and replay migrations. It also allows us to run before and after hooks to execute scripts while migrating, so we can populate the database with required values during migration. And finally, Prisma Studio. Prisma Studio, you can perform the CRUD operations in our databases. This is the easiest way to visualize data from our database as well as manipulated.